Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share how to close open pores or how to tighten or reduce the size of your pores. Let me first tell you what open pores are, okay? So pores in our skin absorbs oil and dirt, which makes our skin which makes our pores bigger and which leads to loosen our skin and makes our skin dull and old. So if you want to have a firm skin or if you want to have a fair skin, then you should have vitamin C in your skincare products. Let me tell you the benefits of vitamin C. Vitamin C makes our skin fair and also it enhances our complexion. It lightens our skin complexion and also it tightens our pores, and also it is wrinkle free, which means that it can prevent from getting wrinkles. So in today's video I bring up a remedy of vitamin C toner which is very inexpensive.